came here to PTTI for welding. Found the school just word of mouth, you know, a few people I know. I always wanted to weld for a little minute now. I got a few uncles who weld, so, you know, I knew it was good money in it. So, you know, I wound up looking for a school I can go to for welding, and PTTI came my way. My experience attending PTTI was really good. I met some good people, friends that I still got now. The teachers was amazing. They helped me along the way. It was like riding a bike though, you know what I mean? When I first started welding, I got it from the beginning, you know? So it was a great experience. Everybody, all the staff was helpful. You know, the students was friendly, and, you know, it just felt like an at-home environment.
What are some of your favorite memories or moments from being in PTTI?
Well, I actually won an award probably like the first 2 weeks I was going here. They was doing little orientations or the ceremony giveaways, and by surprise my name was called, and I didn't even know nothing about it, but you know, the TAs at the time seen my ability and my skills and, you know, awarded me for it. The feeling of getting awarded felt good. It caught me by surprise, like I know, so that made it even better, because I was sitting in the back minding my business, and to hear my name called was, you know, a very good thing. My proudest accomplishment since being at PTTI is the job I'm working at now. It's the most money I ever made, you know what I mean? PTTI helped me along the way. They, you know, made a great resume for me, and, you know, just backed my play, and I went in there, executed, and got paid $30 an hour. I would like to thank Sherman first and most importantly. She's been a great help as well to, you know, my newfound success. Also, all the PTTI staff, because, you know, they all was a part of it. You know, I was always able to get help when needed, and, you know, they made sure that, you know, everyone was great.
What does your future look like?
It's looking good. I'm making $30 an hour now. I bought a car. About to buy a house. You know, everything's looking good. You know what I mean? I'm very proud of how far I came.
You had to say one thing to a prospective student thinking about coming to the school. What would you say?
Do it. Stick to it. Don't joke. If you want to change your life for the better, you know, you gotta just focus and apply yourself. You know, ain't nobody gonna get you there but you. You know, but PTTI is definitely a stepping stool to getting that success if you want it. I am a PTTI graduate. I just want to tell y'all, focus. You know, don't think that you can't do it. Don't doubt yourself. You are your #1 motivator.